Ethereum network developers confirmed September as the date of the upcoming merge, a move which prompted traders to flip long on ETH. Ether's ETH 53% rallied between July 13th and 18th gave bulls an edge in July's $1.26 billion monthly options expiry. The move happened as Ethereum developers set a tentative date for the merge, a transition out of the burdensome proof-of-work (POW) mining mechanism. According to some analysts, by removing the additional ETH issuing used to finance the energy cost required on traditional mining consensus, Ether could finally achieve the ultrasound money status. Whether or not sound monetary policy revolves around constantly changing the issuing and burning rules remains an open question, but there's no doubt that the Ethereum developers' video call on July 14th helped to catapult ETH price. On July 26th, a sudden dramatic spike in Ethereum network active addresses raised multiple speculations about whether Ether is targeting its previous all-time high. Analytics firm Sentiment reported that the number of 24-hour daily active addresses reached 1.06 million, breaking the previous 718,000 high set back in 2018. Theories such as Binance doing a maintenance sweep emerged, but nothing has been confirmed yet. The main victims of Ether's impressive 20% recovery on July 27th were leveraged bearish traders, shorts, who faced $335 million in aggregate liquidations at derivatives exchanges, according to data from CoinGlass. Bears placed their bets below $1,600. The open interest for Ether's July monthly options expiry is $1.27 billion, but the actual figure will be lower since bears were overly optimistic. These traders got too comfortable after ETH stood below $1,300 between June 13th and 16th. The pump above $1,500 on July 27th surprised bears because only 17% of the put/sell options for July 29th have been placed above that price level. The 1.39 call-to-put ratio shows the dominance of the $730 million call/buy open interest against the $530 million put/sell options. Nevertheless, as Ether stands near $1,600, most bearish bets will likely become worthless. If Ether's price remains above $1,500 at 8 a.m. Universal Time Coordinated on July 29th, only $80 million put/sell options will be available. This difference happens because a right to sell Ether at $1,500 or lower is worthless if Ether trades above that level on expiry. Bulls are comfortable even below $1,600. Below are the four most likely scenarios based on the current price action. The number of options contracts available on July 29th for call, bull, and put, bear instruments varies, depending on the expiry price. The imbalance favoring each side constitutes the theoretical profit. Between $1,400 and $1,500, 120,400 calls versus 80,400 puts. The net result favors the call, bull, instruments by $60 million. Between $1,500 and $1,600, 160,500 calls versus 55,000 puts. The net result favors bulls by $160 million. Between $1,600 and $1,700, 187,100 calls versus 43,400 puts. The net result favors the call, bull, instruments by $230 million. Between $1,700 and $1,800, 220,800 calls versus 40,000 puts. Bull's advantage increases to $310 million. This crude estimate considers the put options used in bearish bets and the call options exclusively in neutral to bullish trades. Even so, this oversimplification disregards more complex investment strategies. For example, a trader could have sold a put option, effectively gaining positive exposure to Ether above a specific price, but unfortunately, there is no easy way to estimate this effect. Bears should throw in the towel and focus on the August expiry. Ether bulls need to sustain the price above $1,600 on July 29th to secure a decent $230 million profit. On the other hand, the bear's best-case scenario requires a push below $1,500 to reduce the damage to $60 million. Considering the brutal $330 million leveraged short positions liquidated on July 26th and 27th, bears should have less margin to pressure ETH price lower. With this said, bulls are better positioned to continue driving ETH higher after the July 29th monthly options expiry.